Hello everyone. We are now cooking pork and beans using pork knuckles and cannellini beans and bok choy or pechay, our vegetable. Please continue watching. You will surely like this recipe. See how tender the meat turned out and how thick the soup is. This is delicious. If you are new to our channel, welcome. We hope you will like our video and come back for more. Let's start cooking. Please refer to description box for all the ingredients. With water and salt, we use pressure cooker to cook our pork to tender. 2 tablespoons of olive oil or oil. Garlic. One onion. About 3 or 4 tomatoes. I have different sizes of tomatoes. They are from our garden. You can add tomato sauce or tomato ketchup. Right now I'm adding tomato ketchup. About 2 tablespoons. Now, let's saute our pork knuckles. And beans for a bit. Oh, they're so tender now, you see? And a little beans in there. Now I'm putting them back to the pressure cooker. Yeah. And cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes more. A generous amount of ground pepper and salt to taste. now is ready. The meat is so tender. Yeah. Kalas luto. Friends, thank you for watching. See you on our next video.